So we're about to have all kinds of fun today.
This has suspension adjustment.
Nice Stuart and Stevenson's LMTV we're going to try to take home today. Got Josh over here. Think he knows what he's doing.
I have at least 2 days experience.
Gonna lift this cab up. Supposedly the starter's fried in this thing, but we brought a hammer.
Oh, man. The hydraulics came up.
We low on fluid.
If we are, that sucks. So I didn't bring any hydraulic oil out.
Slowly but surely we're getting this cab lifted. He's working on over there, hand cranking this thing.
With the wrong tool.
With the wrong tool, but it works. It's not wrong if it works. Okay, so we had an issue with the hydraulic pump on the other side, you know, the mechanical side of it. So we're going to get some new batteries in here and then see if we can just get the onboard electric pump to work with this beast. So new batteries in, we got life. He's trying to crank it over right now.
Oh, baby.
Hey, do you have a can of ether?
No.
Huh.
It ain't been started in a while. It'll go.
Okay, so Josh is running to the hardware store, get some ether, hoping that we can get this beast started. She wants to. Man, does she want to start. So, man, this thing is going to be so much fun. Sweet. Looks like Josh is back. Let's hope you got everything we need to hopefully get this little guy started today. There he is. Just a rolling. Okay.
Reading just below 24 volts.
Sweet. So let's dose this little gal up.
Give it a pretty good dose.
Oh. She's breathing. Well, we're still having issues getting it started. Doesn't want to run. But we got power to the hydraulics now, so we can actually lift the cab. Get to that nice cat engine under here. Gonna have some fun. Listen to that annoying beep from the low pressure. Might just destroy that. It'll come down eventually. Thank you, that was god awful.
It was not getting fuel.
Lots of hand primer.
Mm-hmm. If you want to see the generator that these... Whoa, hey, that would do it.
Oh, yeah. We got a fuel leak. What's it leaking from?
A loose cap. You can hear fuel getting pumped to the front now.
Hopefully it didn't burn out that pump.
No,
Warning, keep clear of fan.
You can shut the fan off independently so you can.
Oh, I know it's got
traverse through water.
It's got a forwarding mode. That sounds like hydraulic bleed off, Josh. I'd be standing clear.
Yeah. Now that it's got fuel, let's see what happens.
So Josh here also informed me that this has a full tank of a JP8 from its military days. That should run pretty good, huh? Oh man, this thing is gonna be a beast. He's testing brakes right now because we have a couple miles to go. What do you think?
For a lap.
Still recording. I don't just hit it, drive and flip in and drive.
I'll ride with you. Alrighty. So, foot on the brake. Your air brakes are now off. Bump it into D. Now you should be in drive.
Our fuel's dropping, it's wigging out. Oh, this thing's badass.
I got to drive these every day, just about.
Does it automatically shift?
It should. Hit the up arrow. It might need more speed. It is only a 7-speed.
Speedometer doesn't work. It doesn't know to shift.
It's not run off the speedometer.
Whatever you just did, it cut out.
Something to do with the air. What did that do?
I let off the throttle. But it's not shifting.
Oh, they just got a front row seat of me mashing all the breakers. smell something burning? Stop.
So we just realized that inside this pipe here, there's a mouse nest. Was a mouse nest. You know, as the Call of Duty gamers would put it, squad wiped now. Oh, now we gotta limp this little guy home. Gotta go like 20 miles at 10 miles an hour. Because we're having an issue with it not shifting. So, we'll get there eventually. Okay, so we're about 2 miles into our trip. Yep. Still not shifting out of second. Oh man, 18 miles to go. This is being too much fun. Got about 8.5 miles to go. 8.8 looks like. Oh yes, we're cooking along. Had to check the GPS just to see how far away we were. But yeah, we're gonna just keep on trucking. Oh. Curves up ahead, 45 miles an hour limit. Hope we're not going too fast. Okay, we got the Stuart back here to Box Elder. Took way too long. We're trying to diagnose why it only does 10 miles an hour right now. I think we found a popped breaker in there, popped little fuse. But this thing's just a little monster. Shouldn't say little. Found our issue with it not shifting. This little guy was ripped off the side of the transfer case. That would explain everything. Now to find another one and start fixing it, right, Josh?
Yeah. Or I can just scab that one back together.
So next time we do a video on this little guy, hopefully we can fix the transmission not shifting issue. We believe it's just that destroyed connector. Looking for a new one now, or we're going to cobble together one of the two. So we will see you guys next time.